Hi, this is Mr. Cardoso, and in this video we're just going to take up question 12a from the chapter 8 review. So it's 4 to the power of x plus 6 times 4 to the power of negative x equals 5. Now the reason why this one is tricky is because we have this 4 to the power of x here, 4 to the power of negative x. So what we can do is write that as 4 to the power of x plus 6 times 1 over 4 to the power of x. Since it's a negative exponent, we can put it to the denominator and make the exponent positive. Now we see that we have this situation. What we can do is think about how we can solve this. We can let a be 4 to the power of x, and that might open up how it looks. So we have a. If a is 4 to the power of x, we can substitute a in for 4 to the power of x. A plus 6 times 1 over a equals 5. Now, we see that we have an a in the denominator here, and how would we solve this equation is we would take this and say multiply everything by a. So we would multiply this by a. If I multiply this by a, the reason why I'm multiplying by a is to get rid of the denominator. So I'd multiply this by a, this term by a as well, and then that would get rid of the denominator, and then I'd have to multiply this by a as well. So then in that case, I have here a squared plus, and then this a and this a would cross out as desired, plus 6, leaving me with just 6 times 1 is 6, equals 5a. So then I get a squared, bring the 5a to the other side, I get minus 5a plus 6 equals 0. Now, I just need to factor this. So the sum is minus 5 and the product is 6. So it turns out that this is a minus 3 and a minus 2 equals 0. And so that means a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 2. Now, remember that we haven't finished the problem because a is equal to 4 to the power of x. So now we need to solve for x, not solve for a. So we need to resubstitute back in. Scroll down here. So 4 to the power of x equals 3, or 4 to the power of x equals 2. So now we need to solve both of these equations. And we can do that by taking the log of both sides. So here we have log 4 to the power of x, we bring the x down, so log x log 4 equals log 3, and so x equals log 3 divided by log 4, and that's one solution. You can solve this on your calculator because we take the log of both sides in the base of 10. And here we have x log 4 equals 2. So we have x, and I have to take the log of that side as well, log of 2, and then we have x equals log of 2 divided by log of 4, and so that's another solution. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that example.